The inaugural function of the ORS Week Celebration 2024 took place today at the conference hall of Jennings Hospital. The function was organized by the Pediatric Association of Manipur (PAM), aimed to prevent child deaths caused by diarrhea. Senior resident Dr. L. Radha Pyari from the Department of REAMS participated as a resource person, highlighting that over 443,000 children under the age of 5 die annually due to diarrhea globally. The chief guest of the function, the medical superintendent of Jennings, Professor K.H. Lokeshwar, emphasized the critical importance of administering ORS to children during diarrhea episodes.
ORS and oral dehydration solution solve solution Asiguma Porcina, Tamsana, New Sumna, Pijalagadi, Pitagadi, Alan Sinchu, Asiguma Sati, Laina, Sidi Kanmangam, Masusi, Aduna, under Sankana, Health Department in Makata, Manipur, Pediatric Association, Nakana Tondiva, Diarrhea took a high deep blue nan, Amashu, ORSP, Matamsana Sinagadi. Aduguma diarrhea to rock town to Mangami, Adonatu Wakal to Tamu, Haidana, Sea Panda, Adonapum Kunimata, Aruina Maru in the Manipur, under refugee camps in the Lerapa, relief camp the Lesalapa, Saudi Patin, Pangiba, Sing Awapa, Lunan, Kunkawapin Punse, Sidi to talk in the Aquila, Mama, Mapa, Kunimana, 600 Magidamata, and a city or this people say, Namaru, Adam Saba, and Sanamina.